How to draw Cleo. To begin drawing Cleo, we're going to draw the top of her hair. We're going to make an upside down U shape where her face will be, and then we'll draw the rest of her hair, making it look shaggy. Next, we're going to draw her face. Make sure that you stick around until the end of the video so that you can color in your drawing with us. In the middle of Cleo's face, we're going to draw a small circle. This will be her nose. Then, above the nose, we're going to make 2 eyebrows and 2 eyes. After that, we're going to finish Cleo's face by drawing her big mouth. Before we start drawing Cleo's body, we're going to draw the bow in her hair. We'll make a small C-like shape, and then we'll draw either side of the bow. To begin making Cleo's body, we're going to draw her neck and collar. Next, we're going to draw the big poof of hair on her body. Now we're going to start drawing Cleo's legs. We're going to start by drawing her 2 front legs. Next, we're going to draw a straight line going to the left from her hair, and that will be her back. Then we'll bring that line down and make her back leg. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. We're almost done. Next, we're going to make her belly that connects to her back leg we just drew. Then we're going to draw Cleo's other back leg. Lastly, to finish drawing Cleo, we're going to draw her tail. This is how to draw Cleo step by step. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you liked videos like these step-by-step drawing tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you can see content like this every day. Stick around so we can color in our drawing together.
learn how to draw Hub Crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.